A chance of showers. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for tidal Potomac from Cobb Island, Maryland to Smith Point, Virginia, tidal Potomac from Indian Head to Cobb Island, Maryland, until 8:45 p.m. At 7:20 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 nautical miles southwest of Potomac Creek to 7 nautical miles southeast of Fairview Beach to near Westmoreland State Park, moving northeast at 15 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include Potomac Creek, Maryland Point, Nanjemoy Creek, Port Tobacco River, Cobb Island, Swan Point, Mithas Point, United States. 301 Nice Memorial Bridge, Wicomico River, Popes Creek, Brent Point, Westmoreland State Park, Fairview Beach, Colonial Beach, and Dahlgren. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. This is the No Weather Radio All Hazards Station KHB36.